10th class CBSE Introduction of Trigonometry. Now look at the diagram. ABC is a right triangle. In this right triangle, the opposite of right angle B is called hypotenuse. It is denoted as H. And the angle A is called acute angle. And this is called base or denoted as B. And the opposite of acute angle A, the side BC is called perpendicular. So, trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. In this chapter, we shall study some ratio of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angle. These ratio will be called trigonometric ratio of the angle. You know that suppose three numbers are given. Three numbers given 2, 3, 4. First thing, what is ratio? Ratio is the comparison between two number of same kind by division. When we compare two number of same kind by division, it is called ratio. Ratio is one type of fraction also. So 2, 3, 4 write taking three number different ratio, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. You can write three ratio like this. If you write the reciprocal of this, 3 by 2, 4 by 3 and 4 by 2. This is 3 ratio. So taking 3 number, you can write only 6 ratio. Like this, suppose 3 side given, 3 side P, B and H. Using 3 side P, B, H, you can write 6 ratio, P by H, then B by H and P by B. 3 ratio, write the reciprocal of 3 ratio, H by P, H by B and B by P. Now, these 6 ratio, you can name it P by H is equal to sin theta, B by H is equal to cos theta, P by B tan theta, H by P reciprocal of sin cosec theta, reciprocal of cos theta sec theta, reciprocal of tan theta cot theta. So these 6 ratio are called trigonometric ratio. Now in the another way you can write, suppose in the triangle ABCB is a right angle and A is the acute angle, and this side AB is the adjacent side of angle A, and this side BC is the opposite side of angle A, and that is the hypotenuse H. So you can write in this way sin theta equal to P by opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta B by H equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, like this other three ratio. Now sine and cosec reciprocal of each other. So sine theta into cosec theta equal to 1, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So, like this you can write sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, like this. Now solve a question. Example: triangle ABC right angle at B. AB is equal to 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm. Determine first I sin A cos A, double I sin C cos C. In this triangle sin A, first solution you have to find sin A. Sin A means P by H, but in the right triangle, suppose this is a right triangle A, B, C. B is the right angle. Two sides given here, AB 24, BC 7. Two sides given, but third side is unknown. Sin A or sin theta equal to P by H. P by H means perpendicular by hypotenuse, but hypotenuse is not given here. So you have to find it by Pythagoras theorem. You know that Pythagoras theorem h square is equal to p square plus b square, or h is equal to p square plus b square whole root over. So in this case AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, implies that AC equal to AB square plus BC square whole root over, which is equal to AB given 24 square plus 7 square root over 24 square 576 plus 49 whole root over equal to 625, root over equal to 25. So AC or H is equal to 25. Now find sin A. Sin A is equal to P by H, or opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite 7, hypotenuse 25. Finish. Sin A. And cos A equal to, cos A is equal to B by H, or adjacent by hypotenuse. B is equal to 24 and hypotenuse 25. Finish first time. Then second, sin C cos C. Now acute angle changes. When the acute angle is A, then this is the perpendicular and this is the base. But when the acute angle changes to C, then the PB changes. Perpendicular changes, base changes, but the hypotenuse remain unchanged. So opposite of this opposite of angle C, this is the P, and opposite of adjacent, this is the B. When A is the acute angle, then this is the P, this is the B. When C is the acute angle, PB changes. This is the P, this is the B. So sin C is equal to P by H. P by H means P value here 24 changes P by H 25. Like this cos C, B by H. B by H means here B is equal to 7 and H is equal to 25. Finish this one. Like this. Another question. Example 5. Example 5. Given sec theta equal to 13 by 12, then calculate all other trigonometric ratio. First, in this question, given that sec theta equal to 13 by 12, you know that sec theta is equal to B by H, which is equal to 13 by 12. Now you can write here B is equal to 13K H, sec theta. Sec theta H by B. H by B 13 by 12. B is equal to H is equal to 13K, B is equal to 12K. Which is unknown? From the three sides of the triangle PBH, which is unknown? P. So find P first. P is equal to H square minus B square root over. So 13K square minus 12K square whole root over. Then 169K square minus 144K square whole root over equal to 25K square root over equal to 5K. Finish. Now find all the trigonometric ratio. Sin theta P by H, P value 5K, H is equal to 13K, K cancel, 5 by 13. Then cos theta B by H, B is equal to 12K by 13K equal to 12 by 13. Then tan theta equal to P by B, P value 5K, B 12K, cancel 5 by 12. And cot theta B by P means 12K by 5K equal to 12 by 5. Then cosec theta equal to H by P, H value 13K by H by P value 5k 13/5. So if one ratio is given, you can find another 5 ratio in this process. Thank you for watching it.